Good evening, guys. This is like a Saturday night. I usually work, but my car is not working, so I'm home doing my assignment. So, welcome to my channel. I'm Jinx. I'm learning technical analysis, and I will take you through what I learned today. So, today I was looking at relative strength index, which is very common in trading world, which is called RSI index. So it's a momentum indicator. I'm looking at Investopedia, and it gives the formula for calculating RSI, and it's got a lot of information. I learned a bit. So why is it important to predict the behavior? Understand if there is any trends or trend reversals. It's mainly to understand if a stock is oversold or overbought. So you can look at various things: oversold, overbought. Um, then you can look at all these topics: RSIs versus MACD. Let's click on to this one, oversold, overbought, which is very important for us. So I'm looking at TradingView, and I'm gonna indicator RSI, and I'm taking the first. I'll just mark it. I'll take the first one. So this opens up this one. So mainly RSI is calculated for 14 days. We do what every other trader does. We don't want to do something what nobody is doing, because this whole chart is about the entire market psychology. So we do what everyone does. We are trying to see what everyone is seeing. Basically, you can just analyze the candlesticks, but we do a lot of technical analysis to have more predictable outcome. So I'm looking at an Amazon stock. So if there is, what these people are doing on RSI indicator is, if the indicator ranges between 0 to 100, and anything closer to 100 over 70 is classified as oversold, no, overbought, and anything that falls below 30 is classified as oversold. To make sure what I'm telling is right, let's go here. If the RSI value is over 70, it's overbought or overvalued. And if the RSI value is below 30, then it could indicate when it crosses 70, it's a bearish sign. When it is crossing below 30, it is a bullish sign. So that means anything below 30 is oversold, anything above 70 is overbought. So what that means is, let's say at this particular point it's crossing over 70. So basically, if you go up here, you buy here, it's gonna go down, so it's a bearish sign. So you shouldn't buy here and try to sell here. You need to buy here and try to sell upward. So when you look at this dip, and when you come down here, it's within the range. But if you go to this point, so basically people have oversold it, but you do not when you are seeing a trend like this, you do not try to buy at this point, because it can go further down. We don't know how the market is going to move. So what you're going to do is you're going to wait for it to cross 30 again, and then you buy somewhere here. That means it's going to go up, and then you sell somewhere here. That's how you're going to use your RSI indicator. You can use this indicator along with your Bollinger Bands or your exponential moving average. So basically, technical analysis, you analyze the stock. How do you analyze the stock? Is you draw a line from the lowest points and then draw from the highest points, and that gives your trend line, which acts like a support and resistance. Once you have a basic understanding of what's happening in your according to your logic, you add all these indicators and see if these indicators are telling the same story that you interpreted on the candle chart. So that's what you are trying to use indicators, and that's my understanding of RSI. And I got the information from Investopedia. There's a lot of reading and a very good explanation, and please go through it, guys. Thank you for your time today, and thank you for learning along with me. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.